Today we're looking at the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali in a white frost tri-coat. This one is powered by a 3.0 Duramax Turbo Diesel with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we have our jet black leather interior, heated and ventilated seats on both sides, as well as our power adjustable seat settings here at the left. Making our way up, we have our heated leather steering wheel. Of course, our 17-inch display touchscreen with built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Google Maps. You'll find your climate controls here at the bottom of the screen. And if we make our way further down, you'll see we do have a USB-C and USB charge port with a wireless charging pad. As you can see, we also have this nice wood trim along the whole sides of the vehicle. Our two cup holders here. Of course, our middle console with plenty of storage. And it also is adjustable with these buttons up here. You'll see. Push those up or down, and you'll be able to slide it for as much space needed. Headed over to the driver's side door, you'll find our automatic power windows, our adjustable side mirrors. To the right of our handle here, we do have our power locks, as well as our adjustable seat memory settings. Over here, you'll find our park brake with our park assist, as well as our drive modes and automatic high beams and trailer brake controls. In the windshield, you'll find our lovely heads-up display. And if we make our way down to the steering wheel here, you'll find our audio controls, as well as our voice recognition and heated steering wheel, like I mentioned earlier. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as this vehicle is equipped with enhanced emergency braking, park assist, forward collision alert, rear cross traffic alert, and safety alert seats. When reversing, this vehicle is equipped with our 360 view camera, as well as a built-in rear view camera. And this vehicle is a push-to-start ignition with keyless entry and remote start. If we look up, you'll also see we have our built-in rear view mirror camera at all times. Taking a look at the Bose speaker systems, we have these around the whole vehicle from front to back. Of course, our jet black interior continues as we have our leather heated seats. These seats are adjustable and retractable. Just pull down the lever, it'll come down, no problem. Before I do that, we have two cup holders, our climate controls for the back seats, as well as two USB-C charge ports, and of course, these HDMI ports for our lovely 12-inch rear entertainment system screens. Of course, when we come to the back, you'll find our three seats, as well as our USB-C charge port, one cup holder on this side, and the same on this side. We also have our lovely full panoramic sunroof from front to back, and you can find all the controls up here in the roof. This vehicle is also equipped with Super Cruise, per subscription of course. Checking out the exterior here on our Yukon, we have our classic chrome Denali grille with our front-facing camera. To the right of that, we have our LED headlights and fog lamps. Down here, you'll find our 22-inch rims on our Bridgestone tires. Of course, we have our heated adjustable side mirrors with the camera, chrome accent handles, as well as chrome around all the windows. You'll find our chrome roof rails, as well as our automatic assisted side steps when doors are opened. Making our way to the back, we have our tail lights that are also LED, and of course, our power tailgate. Push of a button, it'll come up, no problem. You see we also have our quad exhaust. Over here, you'll find, we'll push these in, and these will retract, no problem. These front middle seats can also retract for extra storage. And of course, we have our AC outlet. Down here, we also have extra space for storage. And these hooks for anything need to be strapped down. And that is our 2025 Yukon Denali Ultimate in a white frost tri-coat. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help you with any questions you may have.